sky rail.
So the first station is going to be Gatwick. It takes 15 minutes. You need to approach to change right to Barrow Force. At the first station there's going to be a lovely lookout.
Yep.
Take your time.
Alright, thank you. Whoa, here we are.
Hi guys, so that's the excitement or the surprise.
Yep, sky rail.
We couldn't do a what you call it, an intro because it was really windy outside
Yeah.
this morning. So yeah,
So,
we're here.
Here we are. Island, say hi.
Hi.
Going up in the sky.
Going up in the sky. Oh my gosh. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Whoa!
Woo!
I want to rock this! I hope so like it good enough.
Oh my god.
Oh, I want to bombard this.
What the heck is this?
I hope so like it good enough.
I hope so. He was too busy talking to
Right,
us.
it. Space that you or something. Yeah, it's scary, Bubba.
This is scary. Oh, and it's alright, Island.
It's alright, Bubba.
It's alright, Bobby. Hi guys. So we're up in the sky.
Yeah, sky rail.
It's been a while since we've done this.
Yeah.
Last time we did.
I want to bombard this.
Last time we did one of these, we were in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But it was a freestanding one, so it was opened, and our legs were dangling. This is crazy, guys. Look at the view. Hang on, wait. Enough of us. Let's have a look at this. This is.
And guys, this is a hour and a. Is it a hour and a half?
Yeah.
Hour and a half.
An hour and a half, guys.
So we're going way up in the mountains.
Way up in the mountains. Look how pretty this is, guys.
Wow.
Absolutely amazing, guys. Island, what do you reckon? It only really does that noise when.
Wanna come over this side, Island, where it's cooler?
Oh my gosh. No, I think you've got to. Isn't it a balance? You have to balance it?
It doesn't really look like.
Oh.
I mean, either side is good. It's like.
Well, you know, because I'm the heaviest one here, I think.
Just take him out of the sun. You good?
Yeah, good. We're good. We're good. Just gonna take this hat off because my hair seemed like it was messy. Wow, guys.
Oh, so all of them that's coming down are empty. The ones are going up. Are people. Oh, look behind us. Oi, oi.
We're up in the sky. Here we go. It's a big noise.
Again, yeah, this is where it happens. Oh, you're good.
Wow, it's a bit windy. Is it supposed to do this?
Wow.
Like it's supposed to be rocking side to side?
Yes, that's a part of it.
Wow. Look at the houses down there, guys. Wow.
See all the tree. Oh!
It's that every time you go past that, you get really scared.
This is quite deep, though, like. Shoot.
It's quite a deep,
Yeah. The forest down there is thick, though.
very thick.
Yeah. Imagine all the creatures down there.
What do you say, Island boy? What do you think? Yeah? What do you mean? Coming down? Yeah, we're in
going
the
up.
sky.
Look, we're going up.
Yes.
Yes.
Going
You wanna
up.
come over this side and look?
Yeah.
Come.
Going up, going up.
See?
Yes.
We're going all the way up there.
I'm a bit scared, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie.
Me too.
Uh,
The reason what scares me is like, what could go wrong? You know, those kind of scares I get like.
yeah, just stay on one side. I think it balances it out. You reckon?
It's good, because I mean, if he's here or there, it's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Experiences, memories, all of that good stuff, guys. Yeah.
Because from the ground, you could see all the way up to that point up there. So I wonder what's further beyond
Here
when
we
we
go,
get up
noise.
there.
It's just getting higher and higher and higher and higher.
Yeah. every time you pass one of the poles, it makes that noise. Oh, look at the view back there, babe. You can see where the planes are going there.
I give you the camera. You take the camera now. Okay. Wow, the view is amazing. The landscape. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's okay.
Oh, and a half of this, which is really good.
Island, smile. Take some photos. Take some photos, Island boy.
Deep forest.
Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely. Let's do a little video on my phone. Wow. Check this out. This is just crazy.
Wow. Oh, there's a road here, babe. Look.
Tropical.
Oh, I didn't know a road was up here. Look.
Well, maybe we can drive up here.
Yeah, a road. Wow, okay.
So green and beautiful. Absolutely. Highland and his. I farted. For your convenience, cabin doors open and automatically. Do not swing or bounce the cabin. The cable may slow or stop at any time. Remain seated at all time. Do not lean on the door or extend head, arms, camera equipment or selfie sticks out of the window. Do not throw anything out of the window. Maximum capacity 6 persons, 480 kilos. Okay, so we're good. We're not 480 kilos, so we're good.
Wow, we get into the high point.
Dear Lord, please keep us safe on this journey on this Sunday morning. Because it's Sunday morning and we must be safe.
Hug me, Dada.
Hug me, Dada.
Come on.
Let's do some photos and take some photos.
Yeah. It's dark from this angle. But this is us.
This is us. This is us. The Island family, always on an adventure. Anyways, imagine if there's like cameras in here.
Oh, it's gonna happen again, Bobo.
Here we go.
Oh, wait for it any moment. Oh. Every time we pass that pole.
We're getting higher and higher.
Yes, holy moly, look down there. Shoot!
Wow.
No, it's looking scary.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful but scary.
Yes. Oh gosh.
Oh.
What's the chances of us surviving if we fell?
Well, I don't know, you know. If we fall in them bunch of tree, it might catch up in one of the tree them and we good, you know?
Or it might stab us.
Well,
And that will be the end of it.
I can hope for your best.
We pray, we pray, we pray.
Then the helicopter come and rescue us.
Stop.
No, the last highest point to see like this city.
Yeah. Oh yeah, true. Before we head back home and work harder to get to a next adventure. That's gonna be a while still.
Hello, Dada.
So we have some things we need to do.
Hello, Dada. Hello.
Road. Look at this island. Wow, Bobby.
Oh, look at the road down there. It's like all these roads lead up in the mountain, you know?
Wow, Bobby. You get the bucky down here.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
Push, 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 push,
Hurry,
push.
Dada.
Yeah, I got you, I got you.
Love you so much, my boy. Love you so much.
Like some palm trees down there, but they're thick in the forest.
Hear the birds?
Mm-hmm.
We want to go on that one.
This one is different, guys, that's coming down. Oh, so you get strapped in this one.
Oh, wow.
That one look more scary for the risk takers, I'm assuming.
Dada. Whoa.
Oh,
Beautiful
yes.
Wow, guys. It looks
Oh.
like we're coming to a second stop.
Oh, this is the one that you told
First
us about.
stop. Yeah.
We're gonna stop here first and then move on. Oh, wow.
Just get prepared. Here we go, guys. Coming into the first stop. This trip is an hour and a half in total.
You know.
Wow.
So what, we get out here? And change? Oh yeah, we change here. Because it goes back around, yeah, I just realized.
Oh, and you walk down. Wow.
Hello.
Hi.
Island, slow down.
Island, slow down, please.
Yeah. It's like they're having a little tour down here. People, I guess it's just walking around. Thought there was like a tour guide. It's nice. We're gonna go on the next sky rail in like what time?
10:30.
At 10:30, and now it's 10:08.
Wow.
Oh shoot! I just realized this tree. How big this tree is.
Big monster gonna get you.
So these trees are fighting for light, guys, so they grow even taller than their normal height. But look how big this tree is. Oh my goodness. It's like the trees we see in Avatar.
You could really not hug that tree.
Not even. You need about 5-6 person to hug that.
Definitely.
Oh, rainforest icons.
King of the jungle. It's amazing to think that majestic Queensland
Mommy.
is at Kauri. Stood here long before the first Europeans set eyes on Australia. At more than 400 years old, this rainforest icon has adapted to thrive in its competitive environment. As you guys can hear, Island just constantly. Island, if you don't stop, stop. Enough is enough.
Let's,
Notice its trunk.
and this is fern. They even look much bigger.
Oh, baby. Can't see it.
On to the next.
15 minutes for the next stop.
Okay, thank you.
How would you say?
15 minutes to the next stop. On to the next. Ready, Bubba? Oh no! Why it go so
I
fast?
don't know why it does that. It's like it tries to scare you. Wow. That is amazing.
Oh shoot!
Wow. This
Loco.
Dada here, poco loco.
Yeah.
Poco loco.
Loco, see?
Poco loco.
Dense forest, yeah.
Huh?
It's actually really peaceful up here, guys. Like, it's definitely something that anybody can do, really.
Yeah.
If you love you know, green nature, this is my favorite color.
Ow.
Is the forest.
Oh guys,
Oh, that
there's
is
a waterfall.
beautiful.
It's like a valley down there. Shoot, it's deep. You can't even see the end of it yet. Oh, it's like houses.
I would be so happy if my backyard looked like this.
Oh, it's a river, look.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, and there's something down there, like, I don't know what it is.
Maybe water conservation.
Yeah, something.
Something, or electricity camp, or yeah.
Wow. Like, we're really up in the
That
mountains.
breeze is beautiful, guys. You don't understand. Oh, this is just amazing.
Oh,
Look at
look
this
at-
tree just died down there, like it's like fallen on top of another tree.
Oh, look, river, big river. Oh, look at the waterfall.
Waterfall. What? That is wicked.
Wow. This
Oh, now we're seeing people coming up. Wow.
Oh, there, they got a bit of clear.
Yeah, wow. What?
Look, island behind. Look at the waterfall.
Wow.
Oh my God, guys, these are really amazing
Oh,
views.
the rock. Whoa, look at the waterfall, babe. Stand up and look.
What? Oh my
Look
God.
down there.
Oh my God. They don't want to go there.
This is deep mountain.
Can we go there?
I don't know.
No.
Is there anyone down there? Do you see anybody?
No.
Yes.
That's deep.
No, mommy.
So we're coming up to the other station now.
Ah.
Second stop.
It's quiet here, so I guess you just get off and go to the next. Let's get the view here. Oh,
Oh, that's nice.
we get a better view here, guys.
Wow.
That is crazy, huh?
That's beautiful.
Quite scary at the edge right here.
You come back. Yes, Alan. No, I wasn't even smiling at you. That's funny.
We're off again.
Here we go.
Yeah.
10 minutes to Coranda.
Wow, look. Sun.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sit down. Wow, look.
Yeah.
Going down.
Going up. Going up, up, up.
Wow, look.
Wow. Is this a river? What? That's pretty.
It's tropical in Early Beach, like hot like here, no?
Yeah, similar.
Similar
temperature,
weather. Yeah.
Is that like a... There's a boat there, babe.
Lovely.
Wow.
What? This must be the Barren. Is it the Barren River? Maybe.
It's big. There's some ducks down there too.
What farm do you use working? What do you
We pick the vegetable, tomatoes,
lovely.
strawberry.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So feel that we like the weather
Yeah,
because my husband's from Jamaica originally, and and so we love this weather.
Oh.
So we wanted to go to Early Beach. Maybe.